Wow, Emma, what a big screen. Is that your cell phone? It's not a cell phone, Jason. It's an e-book reader. An e-book reader? Yeah, my dead body, because going out to a bookstore is not convenient for me. Not is it difficult to get e-books? Not at all. Just turn on the power and you can find thousands of books on the internet. Wow, that's easy. What else can you do with the e-book reader? I can also take notes and send email on it. Can you play computer games on it too? Oh, Jason, you only care about computer games. Hey teachers, are you still writing the same things on the book blackboard over and over? Are you still pressing the less terrible chalk desk? With an e-board, teaching is not different. With using an e-board allows you to put all your lessons into computer files and save them online. And it is possible for your students to review their lessons at any time. Come and join the e-teaching workshop today. To see is to believe.